this truck, man.
Oh yeah, what's up? What's up? I got a 383 stroker.
You a stroker boy?
I'm a stroker boy.
Hold on, this a stroker boy too.
That's stroker boy. We stroker boys of H-Town boys.
383, baby. 383 all day
Yeah, stroker
long.
on the dominoes too.
Stroker and dominoes, they can't beat us. We undefeatable.
I'm gonna let him shine.
Give me the keys.
Hold on, what?
Hey, fuck right. Give me the keys to the truck, dog. We gonna shut Rick shit down.
You gotta let him shine for a little bit. Let him shine. Let Rick shine. Let him shine for a minute. There he is. Lil Santos. There he is.
Hey, we all know you gonna win, man. Shit.
Yeah, I'm just listening. I'm fine. You know, when running out like that, you gonna slip up like you do.
Pops. Man, you know you want the elders of the club. You got something you want to say?
Where's Quang at, man?
Oh, shit. Hey, his wife will let him come out or something?
He don't have no wife.
He still can't come out?
He ain't got no wife.
Oh, he babysitting.
Somebody else kids. Man ain't got no kids.
Oh, he stepdaddy?
Yeah.
And he babysitter can't come outside.
Can't come outside.
God, that's a shame, man. That's a shame. That is a shame.
We'll see you next time, Quang. We'll see you next time.
Oh, God. There he is. The team of cleaner.
You gonna close it down, Nate?
What's that? The show?
We gonna close it down?
Close what down?
The show. Ain't nothing else to close down. We gonna close down the show, Nate. Take more video.
I heard a stroker boy calling me.
Hey, we want to give a shout out again to all the fellas out there.
They got whooped in dominoes.
They got whooping dominoes, they get whooped in their vehicle. If you want a better motor, just come to the Stroker Boys. We'll fix you up.
We'll fix you up and whip you up, huh?
Fix you up, whoop you up, and just miss you.
Oh, God.
Easy.
Oh, you get a video anytime, Callie.
Video?
Yeah, I'm videoing. I'm the YouTube sensation. Say thanks to everybody for coming out. We had a good time today.
Oh, all right. Thank you everybody for coming out. We had a great time today. Great show out. Love the cars. They look great.
You want to show them what they missed?
Don't put me on the internet, bro, because I got warrants like Alright, when they face tag my ass, that's what it is.
For real? Hey, they gonna come to me and find me? Oh, God.
Say what?
The big car. Oh, boy.
Late at night, something ain't right. I'm gonna be a by the same something like